The global transfer transaction is used to move all the stock currently in one location to another location within the same warehouse. This will move all stock irrespective of whether it is free stock or allocated, whether it's in handling units or not. The only stock that would not be moved is anything that is currently being cycle counted. To reach the transaction, we click on the Inventory button and then Global Transfer. We then scan in the warehouse, the location we're moving the goods from, the location we're moving the goods to. If we look in LN, we can see the current inventory in this location. We now click on the Process button and we get a successful message. If we go back into LN, we can see that all the inventory that was in A005 is now in A004.